This video tutorial is about removing the adware called ActiveAnalyser. ActiveAnalyser is the adware from the adload family. The adware called ActiveAnalyser displays many intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. ActiveAnalyser adware may also periodically cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. And so, in case it was somewhere or another installed into your Mac computer, you definitely need to undertake the measures and get rid of it from your Mac. So go to your Finder, check your applications, right-click on this application and move it to the trash. In case you detect anything else that is suspicious here, get rid of it too. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner that can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.